Morning, folks. Nearly noonday gun time. May the 6th, 2024. Got an unusual video here. It's only going to be a short. You can see the Condor Islander there. In an unusual position, she's bow on to the row ramp. And unfortunately, I was too busy and didn't have a time to catch the Sanya workboat alongside. I would hazard a guess that they're doing some sort of inspection. Just seen the stern line being dropped off there, so they're probably just getting ready to pull out. Quite a different position for her. Anyway, I'm going to leave you to it now. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you like my videos in general, please consider subscribing, and if you subscribe, hit the bell icon to get notified of when I post a new video. Thanks guys, see you later, bye bye.